2021 has just gone by the blink of an eye and 2022 is here. For me, New Year is a symbol of hope, of new beginnings. But it is also the time when you can reflect upon the previous year and see what you have achieved and also learn some lessons from the previous year. It is also the time when you can set new goals for yourself for the upcoming year. So in this video, we will be talking about my 5 New Year resolutions for year 2022. I hope you will also be motivated to create your own New Year resolutions, and by the end of the video, I will also be giving you a bonus tip by which you can just make sure that you are actually working on your New Year resolutions. So let's get started. Before moving towards my New Year resolutions, let's talk about 2 main reasons why people usually fail to fulfill their New Year resolutions. First one is you have to be realistic. Come on, we all make New Year resolutions and we have done it, I think, almost every single year, and at least for me, I have failed most of the times. Now, the main reason why this happens is whenever we are creating New Year resolutions, we become way too optimistic or we became way too unrealistic about our resolutions. For example, one of the top New Year resolutions that I have heard, and I also have created that one for myself in the previous years, is I will start going to gym every day. Now, if you do not even like to do workout, or if you have never gone to gym, how can you expect yourself to go to gym each and every day? So make sure that you are creating New Year resolutions which are realistic and you can actually achieve them. Second point is, do it because you want to do it. Now, I have seen many people in my friends and family circle who create New Year resolutions just by seeing at other people creating those resolutions. But these resolutions are something that you yourself want to achieve in the next year. So make sure when you are creating these resolutions, keep yourself as the center point and then think about all the things that you want to achieve. It's super important that you take a pen and paper and then start thinking about your ideal life and then create your resolutions and goals around that, and that will help you keep motivated to work towards your resolutions. Now, since we have dealt with these 2 important points, it's time to share my New Year resolutions for year 2022. So let's get started. So first on my list is do things that make you happy. So I have a short story behind this. I think it was in 2018 and I used to go to this Zumba classes. It was around New Year only, and once the instructor asked everyone in the group about their New Year resolution. So everyone was telling about their New Year resolution, and when it was my turn, I just said that I just want to be happy. Yes. So it sounds so simple, but I think in today's day and age with such fast moving life, sometimes it's become so difficult to do things that actually make you happy. Like for example, it can just be as simple as following a skincare routine or just reading a book or maybe having a cup of coffee with yourself. So it can be anything and everything that makes you happy, something that you do for yourself. For me, one thing that is super important to me is travel. Yes, I love traveling, and in the upcoming year, I want to travel more and more and do things that actually make me feel happy and feel fulfilled. Next on list is focusing on doubling my salary. Let's be realistic, we all work to earn money, right? So one resolution has to be around that only. So in 2022, I want to learn some new skill, maybe by joining some classes or maybe some online course, or maybe doing some certification that would actually help in enhancing my resume. And once you have worked on your skill set, money is bound to come. So in 2022, I want to work on improving my skill set and learning new things. My next New Year resolution is work on my side hustle. 2021 has been super special to me because I finally started my YouTube channel, which I think I was dreaming from a really long time. So in 2022, I really want to put more and more effort into my side hustle by working on my channel as well as promoting my Instagram as well. Having a side hustle is really important. All the extra time that you are spending on watching Netflix or Prime videos, just stop doing that and start working on your side hustle. It can be anything from investing in stock market to just working as a freelancer. So in 2022, I'm gonna be focusing more on my side hustle and on my YouTube channel and Instagram, and I have a bunch of interesting videos lined up on my channel, so stay tuned for that. Next is work on my physical and mental health. I think from last 1.5-2 years I have been working from home, and as a result the physical activity has been considerably reduced from my life. In 2021, I also realized that I do not like going to gym. Yes, I do not like it. So in 2022, I want to focus more on my physical health in the form of I want to actually join some kind of sports, maybe badminton or swimming. And in terms of mental health, I really want to join some meditation course, and I have actually started also searching some meditation courses online. And if you have links of any of nice meditation courses, maybe online or in Gurgaon, please let me know in the comment section below, because I really want to join one of them. My last New Year resolution is give time to things that matter. So when was the last time when you have talked to your school friend or maybe gone on a coffee date with your parents? I think it's been ages, at least for me. So in 2022, I'm gonna be focusing on spending quality time with my friends and family, because trust me, one thing which pandemic has taught everyone is the importance of your near and dear ones. While creating a beautiful life for ourselves, we sometimes forget to spend this quality time with our friends and family. So in 2022, I'm gonna make sure that I am spending quality time with my family and also focus on things that actually matter. So these were my 5 New Year resolutions for the year 2022. These were some really simple resolutions which I think will surely motivate you to create your own resolutions for the upcoming year. And as I promised in the beginning of the video, here is your bonus tip to make sure that you are actually working on these resolutions. So you need to combine these resolutions with affirmations and journaling. Yes, these are the 2 techniques that actually help you in making sure that you are working towards your goals. Make sure that you are creating some of the affirmations for yourself that are aligned with your goals, and speak those resolutions or maybe write them each and every day in your journal. And also you have to work as well towards your goals. So these are the 2 things that will help you be motivated towards working for your goals. In the next video, we will talk about another effective way that will also help you in achieving your goals in a quite interesting way. So stay tuned for that. I hope you will find this video helpful. If you do, please make sure that you are liking this video, and please subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon so that you are always notified whenever we put up a new video. See you next time. Bye bye.